This is my Frankenstein Explorer LR4 clone. A 4-inch long range, foldable arms, running on 3S. I've been learning FPV on it, which basically means crashing it a lot. After the last session, a few things did not survive. So let's break it down what actually broke. After I attempted to do the inverted yaw spin, I crashed straight into the ground, nose down like this, and that was enough to break both of the top and bottom plates that were holding the camera. And I think because I have this printed extension for the camera, that's what caused it. If the drone would have been a lot shorter in the front, I don't think we had this catastrophic failure of the frame. So today I got a new frame, and we're going to look at the components what needs to be replaced and replace it and take it for a spin. So basically, as you can see, I have to replace this top plate right here, this bottom plate, and other than that we should be good. No damage to the arms. Arms usually just fold up, so you can see if I crash to the front like this, they just fold up. Same to the back one, and a lot of times this saved the arms, and then I can just straighten it up. You can adjust the tightness with this bottom screws here and here. So I have it pretty tight, but on major impacts the arms will still fold, and I find it very, very useful to have that feature. So yeah, let's go ahead and fix this thing. Okay, so the drone is all repaired, assembled, and now let's see how much it weighs. So 231 without propellers, and with the propellers we have 239, and this is using an 850 milliamp 3S battery, and the flight time for this battery is around 8 to 10 minutes depending on how you fly it. As for parts, I'm using a SpeedyBee F405 mini 35 amp stack. You can see it right here. I'm using DJI O4 Pro, M10 Nano GPS. I'm using Diversity ELRS antenna, so I have one in the back and one in the front. And for the motors, I'm running Happy Model EX1404 3500 kV, and propellers are Gemfan Hurricane 4004 on 1.5 millimeter shaft. So in the end, would I recommend building a 4-inch Explorer drone yourself, or just buy a pre-built one from Flywoo, for example? So going into the video, I thought it was a good idea, but after reviewing everything, flying the drone, and seeing how much parts would cost on AliExpress to build one like this, I actually came to the conclusion that it's just easier, faster, and cheaper to order the Flywoo Explorer LR4, the version without the cam and VTX, As you can see on the right here, I have the version without the Cam VTX with ELRS 2.4. Also comes with a GPS unit, and we're looking at $177.99. And if you want to build yourself something similar to this, you're looking at least at $184 on parts from AliExpress. I got a Flywoo M10 GPS here for $20.67. I got a nano receiver, a ELRS receiver from Beta FPV for $12.61. We got some props. We got Happy Model EX1404 motors for $27.90 plus $10 shipping. And I also selected SpeedyBee 405 mini stack for $75 and the cheap frame. So in the end, you can see it's not a good idea. It's not even money wise. It's bad. It's bad idea. Like, you'll spend more time waiting for parts, more time building it. It won't be as reliable as the one you would buy pre-built. So in the end, I have to say that my next drone will probably be a pre-assembled one bought from a manufacturer. This was a great journey learning how to build it, but I still can't recommend it. So thank you everyone for watching. Consider subscribing, and see you next time.